Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a super cool 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Wicked car, man. This is one of those cars that just gets up and goes, man. Beautiful car. My buddy Scott out of Tennessee is actually one who found me this car. Car's out of Georgia. It was a pro-built car, actually built for a magazine. We've got the magazine that the car was featured in the trunk, but all professionally built. It's built by a custom rod shop. The engine and stuff was all professionally done, and man, super cool car, man. It's finished in classic white. That's actually the original color. Of course, you can see the black vinyl top, and then it's got all new custom Hounds Tooth interior, which I love. I love Hounds Tooth. But wicked cool car. If you're looking at the back end right there, you can see it's mini tub with a custom 9-inch rear, Muncie 4-speed car, 4-wheel disc brakes, tubular front suspension, Caltracs rear suspension. It's one of those cars that the list just goes on and on. Fun car to bang the gears. This car is a handful, boys. You step on the gas, you better be ready. You can see it's got the cowl hood. Very nicely done car. Chrome and stainless is nice. I've seen a couple little, you know, stone pecks, stuff like that, but very, very well maintained. Car was actually done in 2008, but I can tell there. I mean, the guy really didn't know for sure how many miles on it, but boy, when you look at it, we start crawling underneath this car, you can tell there's not a lot of miles on this car. Again, slick paint. Car's detailed up really nice. I like a lot of little features on this car. Dash is nice in there. The only thing we couldn't get to work was the wipers. Have Steve take a look at that. A lot of times it's a wiper motor. Most times people haven't used the wipers in so long. Sometimes you just get in there and bang on them a little bit and they start working. Most people don't drive these things in the rain. Again, this is the white, Code 10 classic white. It is the original color for the car. Again, you can see little things like that. Stone peck, little crack. Little discoloration in your bumper there. Again, the car is mini tub, sitting on 10-inch wide American Racing torque thrust 2s, 18-inch on the front, 18s on the rear, 17s on the front. This car's got a wicked look, and man, does it pound the ground. Sounds good. It's got Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors. It's got 4 piston calipers. I think those are 12-inch rotors. SSBC 2-inch drop spindles on the front. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms. You can see the polyurethane bushings in there. Again, professionally built 355 cubic inch engine. It's got Holley 750 CFM 4-barrel, Brodix aluminum intake. It's got AFR angle plug aluminum heads. You can see it's got Headman block hugger ceramic headers. All brand new power steering. That power steering unit is brand new. Again, you can see the tubular control arms. Wilwood master cylinder. It's got custom air cleaner on it with those bow tie Chevrolet billet valve covers. MSD Pro Billet distributor. Aluminum radiator. It's got a Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Steel crank, TRW dome pistons. I'll try to get all that kind of stuff actually in the ad. And like I say, as you look down there, I mean, you can tell, man, this thing just has not been beat on. This thing has been very well maintained. Good, solid body. is nice. Pillar stuff is nice. New mirrors. Looks like new door handles. A little fade in your trim there, but actually a lot of that probably polish right out. New sill plates. Well, actually those are probably factory sill. No, those are new. They just got some scratches. That's actually from your seat belts. Bucket seats. Again, these are all brand new, just redone. And they're they hug you when you're driving this car. It's the first thing you notice, these things squeeze you in, which is nice. Sports steering wheel. It's got a Hurst Competition shifter. Those are all brand new Dakota. I think they're VHX gauge cluster in there. Rear seats all nicely done. Again, that's all brand new. Headliners like brand new. Radio delete car. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. There's a drive shaft loop down there. Again, it's mini tub with a 9-inch forward rear end, 323 gears. It's also got Caltracs rear suspension. A little crack there in the paint. Wind blew it right open to the magazine where this is actually the car the magazine it was featured in. Car was built in 2008. They've carpeted it. That does real good for sound deadening, I'll tell you, and you notice that going down the road. Big fan of this car, man. I like this car. Car's clean underneath. Does run on pump gas. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm trying to buy my little heart out. That's just the cover that goes off there. You can tell those are brand new. They left a little plastic cover on them. Nice car, man. Dash is nice. Those gauges are brand new. Matter of fact, it's only showing I think 7 miles or something on it. This thing rocks, boys. Crane. It's got a crane roller camshaft in it. Like I say, I'll try to get all the particulars in the ad. Got a big listing on the build. Yeah, 8.5 miles on it since they actually redid this interior on it. All your gauges working in there. Big beats on the back. Car sits good. Again, radio delete. I don't think the heat is hooked up. Gonna have to check on wipers. There's a wiper motor on there, but like I said, they didn't come on. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Definitely keep track of our Instagram, guys, our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. There you go. Get that, see that car out in the sun. Got away from Jordan. Have a great day, guys.